In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the TikTok promote feature to boost reach on TikTok. So it's basically their in-app promotional feature. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select your profile icon in the bottom right, and then select TikTok Studio underneath your bio details. So go ahead and open that up. And now that we are on here, go underneath where it says more tools and select the promote button. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, go ahead and select your goal type. So whether you want to get more views or more subscribers, basically those are the main options there you have to work with. So you can see when your goal to be, whether it's more video views, followers, or profile views, you can select any of these options in here. And you can adjust the promotional pack as well. You have to agree to the promote program and the payment terms, and then you would select pay, assuming you had your credit card information already connected to your account. You go underneath dashboard in order to view your order history, and that's pretty much it. You can see what the history is on that and if it's delivering or not. And like I said, pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.